Nathan Aldridge.
Okay, got it. I'm listening.
Hey, yo, what up? Woo! Let's do this. I'm looking good.
That's good.
This recording?
Yeah, we'll work on it. We'll work on it. I'm gonna have to trim this later.
Where'd he go?
And he's gone. That's okay.
Yeah.
Quickly,
He has no views, so.
say something on the live stream.
Let's see what's views,
My guess is no.
No views.
This is on his actual channel because he doesn't want to.
Yo, Dan, what's your Twitch?
Twitch.tv/AMMVSIA. You already know.
That is not a good Twitch.
That's a horrible Twitch name.
It's better than Tutu.
Yeah, let's take it spell it out. TOOPTOOK.
That's true.
All you gotta do is follow me, so you can set a 9 follow
Yeah, I have Twitch though. So
and get one.
I have Twitch on. I might follow them a lot. I might follow.
Yo,
I play Super Smash Bros. Melee.
Let's go.
And the
TV play Smash also stuff.
no,
Okay, Mr. Turk is live streaming us, so watch your language.
the Turk is last year.
Watching the live stream. Oh crap!
That's pretty awesome.
It's okay.
Hello, Mr.
Also, you guys technically can't appear on camera here. I mean, like, because
Just
I
buddy.
mean, we lost 5 and no one's seen any.
yeah, no faces is the idea, right?
Right, like media release forms and everything.
Well, there's a media release form for Toronto Prep School, but not for me. Like, I'm a private entity, right? Okay, and then we're gonna start recording here. That's on video. Let's hit it. I got plenty of space. Oh, I moved this. Who's in charge of camera? No, that's fine. That's fine. We'll do it here. All right, yo, what up? It's your boy, Mr. Aldridge, aka Chemist Nate, here with AMNVSIA on Twitch. Check him out. He's a legit dude, probably. I don't know. We're here today. Gonna trap some gas. My kids wanted to see this happen in the flesh live. So here's what we got. We got an inverted graduated cylinder full of water. There is as little gas trapped up in there as possible. I just put my fingers over it and then inverted it, submerged it, and pulled my fingers out. So this thing is full of water. And the idea is we're going to mix this solid magnesium with this aqueous hydrochloric acid. What kind of reaction is that? Single displacement. Good job. Magnesium displaces the hydrogen, gives off hydrogen gas. Where does the hydrogen gas go? It's nonpolar, can't dissolve in water. So what happens? It bubbles out of the solution. Now, we actually don't have the equipment we need to bubble this thing through a tube and up into the graduated cylinder. So they gave me one of these squirt bottles. I'm gonna put the magnesium inside. Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna put the magnesium inside. The hydrogen's gonna bubble out of the bottom of this thing. I'm gonna submerge it and try to capture it inside the graduated cylinder. Maybe we can catch some milliliters of hydrogen. I forgot to get my matches, so I can't do a splint test on it. If any viewers are out there watching with a lighter or matches, come on over to room 26. You know how it is. All right, are we ready for this? I got my goggles on. That's safety first. You know how it goes. I've already put in some 1 molar hydrochloric acid, diluted it with an extra, I don't know, 90% water. C1 V1 equals C2 V2. Hashtag SCH3U. We're gonna put them hey, nice. We're gonna put the magnesium in there, and then we are going to, well, it's gonna react and bubble. So is this gonna work? Take that away for now. We're not gonna need the lighter yet. Thank you. I have assistants now. Your boy's international. Check the statistics.
Help us.
It's going in. Will it react? Will it blend? Let's find out. We're looking inside. I don't see a single thing happening. There might be some bubbles. Inversion. Put it underneath. We're gonna look for bubbles coming out of there. You know what I didn't think through? I didn't think through that the gas has to like go up and then force its way back down. I got a huge feeling this isn't going to work. I don't want you touching that. You in particular, give me that. Guess who that was? Okay, this isn't going to work at all. Like the hydrogen's getting trapped up in here, but it's not high enough pressure to come out. I'm going to invert it. Oh, did you watch that? I just pulled it out of the water. Fool.
Wait, is this live?
Yeah, lively,
Can't show
not
your face.
working.
You have any views?
Dude, go away.
Yes, 0.
I said that live. And yes, Miss Turk's class is watching. Stay off camera,
The one
please.
view.
Okay, this isn't working. We're not getting any gas coming out of here. If we look inside the plastic tube, the magnesium is bubbling. I can't prove that to you because it's so tough to see.
Wait, can I have the lighter back?
No, it's not yours. Look at that. It's magnesium floating around. What can you do? Well, that was a huge bust.
So,
I got more ideas, though, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, the Queen's Base.
Today we're doing snack games.
Wait, yo, let's go to Miss Turk's.
No. Stay off. No.
Wait, where's the camera?
It's here and here. I'm recording here for live, and I'm recording this for later.
See, that's behind the scenes.
BTS.
Yeah, BTS.
I love a good BTS. Okay, Mr. Ost, my good friend, gave me an Erlenmeyer flask along with the rubber stopper, and there's a hole inside that rubber stopper. But the problem is we don't have pipe or tubing to run through there. He told me, or another good friend, Miss Turk, told me to run a straw through there. So we will. Okay, the idea here is going to be that we'll fill this with hydrochloric acid, put the magnesium inside, and then the hydrogen gas will bubble out of the straw. Will it work? 10% chance.
I don't like those on these.
I hope this works.
Me too.
Otherwise, this is going to be horrible.
This is going to be the worst live stream of all time. Worse than that one where the dude's driving and then crashes.
That's what it's
Okay.
Also, bangers and another ice cream.
Capital M for moles per liter. You don't know that. Prepare to fail.
Wow.
Wow, oof.
Nice.
Oh, come on. Okay, that didn't work. Set that aside. We got hydrochloric acid. I'm gonna need some magnesium. Hook me up. Thank you. How much are we gonna have to put in here? Probably not much. It's only 1 molar. Oh, man, I hope this works. Wait.
Wait, how are you going to get it out?
Honestly, I think I'm just supposed to fold the straw over, fold it again, and fold it back under.
Or so you're siphoning it out?
It's not siphoning, it's just that the high pressure that the hydrogen builds up in here should force the gas out. Can it force it past a bent straw though? I doubt it. Hey, turn the music off. I don't want to catch a copyright infraction.
No.
No, you're gonna cost me money.
No, lower plant, right?
We're claiming your videos as well.
AG, you've got no chill.
What's the
Okay, we got the Erlenmeyer going. I'd be really surprised if we haven't lost our sole viewer by now. We're gonna put the magnesium in there. We're gonna hope it bubbles. We're gonna hope hydrogen gas comes out through the straw. I'm gonna try to force the straw underwater.
You just let water into the straw.
No, I didn't. Okay, it's bubbling vigorously, but the problem is that the straw is very, oh man, it's smoking. Like as much as hydrogen can actually smoke. Let's hold it up for the people. You guys can see the vigorous bubbling and the gas formation. I think I'm trapping it though. There's no gas coming out of the straw, probably because the straw is folded.
as well as you want.
Otherwise, you're putting pressure on the straw.
Yeah, you fall in two places. There's no
I
way to
know.
separate it.
Let's even it out. Maybe the hydrogen is escaping because it's just a straw inside a rubber stopper.
Is that straw bendable?
No, there's no bendy straws in the staff room. Nope, the whole thing is a big failure.
Oh, that's too bad.
Story of my life.
Ouch.
You know, I just noticed there's only two people in this lab wearing
Think you got it.
Everyone else is a far distance away. Okay, good stuff, good stuff. The lesson is experiments don't always work out the way you want to. Experiments are experiments because you're experimenting. That's all I got for you.
Good life.
All right, until next time, don't forget to tune in to Chemist Nate, 2019 dabs to bring in 2019. It's happening right here. We'll be live. Take care.
See you.
Oldridge out.
forgot to shout out